How to fix could not sign in authentication fail on App Store. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the error message like could not sign in authentication fail on App Store. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to firstly ensure that you have the stable internet connection or not. So for that, you'll have to open the Wi-Fi or cellular data. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just back from here, and from here tap on general. Okay, so from the general section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like VPN and device management. So simply tap on the option VPN and device management. Alright, so from the VPN and device management section, you'll have to turn off the VPN from your iPhone. So after you complete this, you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section again, you'll have to go the options like transfer or reset iPhone. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here tap on reset. Okay, so from here you'll have to tap on the option reset network settings. So from here you'll have to confirm with your password. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section again you'll have to swipe up, and from there you'll have to go the option software update. Alright, so from the software update section, you have to update the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So after you update the latest version of iOS, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section, tap on your Apple account. Alright, so from your Apple account section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go with the options like sign out. So after you tap on that, you'll have to confirm with your Apple ID password, and you have to turn off it, and from there you'll have to again connect your Apple account, and from there you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.